What is the problem of Pakistan? The problem of Pakistan is it is not a democratic country. मैं हिंदी में बताना चाहूंगा, मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ने बनाया पाकिस्तान, वो बन गया जनरल्स की दुकान. That is the situation of Pakistan. The second thing very important is people, leaders make the country. There, the Pakistan armed forces have made a country, Pakistan, for themselves. Unelectable, not accountable, not popular sanction, but they seize power. Ayub Khan, Field Marshal for 10 years. Mr. Yahya Khan for 7.5 years. Mr. Ziaul Haq for 11 years. General Musharraf for 9 years. Now you have Munir, general, who was defeated in the field but became a field marshal. That is the whole scenario.